Honestly, I wasn't even planning to check the analytics of this particular video. But when I finally opened and checked it, I saw something that made me stop for a moment. And I said, no, I have to show this to other small creators like me, because I have seen a lot of creators make videos saying they made $500, $200 from 1,000 views. In fact, it's confusing how this YouTube monetization thing works. And that is why I decided to make this video. Because when I uploaded that video I did on how to submit your tax information in Google AdSense, I will be attaching the video on the screen for you to see. That video was posted on the 13th of June 2025. I honestly didn't think too much about it after I made the video. But then something happened. A few days ago, I decided to check my video analytics, and suddenly I saw that the video has gotten 1,000 views. But then another thought quickly hits me. Wait, how much did YouTube actually pay me for this 1,000 views? Well, take a moment and guess. Could it be $10, $5, $2, or maybe $15? Well, my beautiful people, that's exactly what I am about to share with you in today's video. But before I do that, please, I want you to quickly remember this, that the real reason behind this revenue sharing is just for transparency and motivation. So stay with me till the end of this video, because we are going to break down the video analytics together, and I'll reveal to you the exact amount YouTube paid me for 1,000 views. So here is the video. Like I said, it's a video I made on how to submit tax information in Google AdSense. And like I also said, the video was posted on the 13th of June 2025. The video has gotten 1,083 views so far and still counting. And it wasn't even a trending topic or a viral challenge. It was just a simple, helpful tutorial video I made for creators trying to submit their tax information correctly in Google AdSense. As you can see, the video got 8.6k impressions, meaning YouTube showed this particular video 8,600 times to people across search engine, browse features, recommendations, everywhere. Now, for small creators, that's a huge encouragement, because impressions on a video is YouTube's way of saying, we see you, keep going, okay? Impressions are one of the first signs that shows that the algorithm is paying attention to you. But for this video, 8.6k impressions is actually very good for an educational tutorial like this. Now let's talk about the watch time of this video, which is honestly the most important part of growing any monetized channel. This video generated 38.3 watch hours. Now you might be thinking, 38 hours, is it that good? Well, for a small channel, 38 hours from one video means viewers didn't just click, they actually stayed watching. And when people stay watching, YouTube pushes that video even more. So watch time is one of the strongest signals that shows that your content is actually helping someone out there. Now, another thing that surprised me with this video was this. The video brought in 20 new subscribers for my channel. That means about 20 people watched that video. trusted the information and said, you know what? I want more content from this person. And that made them to subscribe to my channel. So this is me saying thank you so much to everyone who have subscribed to my channel. Though these numbers may feel small for small creators, okay? But they are actually big. You know why? Because every subscriber is earned. You don't buy them. You don't beg for them. They choose to join your YouTube journey because they love your content. So anytime you see 20 subscribers, 10 subscribers, or even 15 subscribers, please celebrate it. That is real growth. And here's something even more interesting. Most of the money from this video actually came from watch page ads. About 99.5% came from watch page ads, and only about 0.5% came from YouTube Premium. So now we've broken down the views, the watch time, the subscribers, and the impressions. I know you are now wondering, so with all of this, how much did YouTube pay me for 1,000 views? Well, let's find out. So for this video that got 1,000 views, 8.6k impressions, 38.3 watch hours, 20 subscribers, and monetization mostly from watch page ads, YouTube paid me exactly $1.69. Not thousands, not hundreds, just a simple $1.69. Now, here is the real question I want to ask you. Do you think earning $1.69 from 1,000 views is really worth it? Is the effort, the research, the editing, the recording, the learning worth it for that small amount? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Is the money worth it? Were you expecting more? But let's quickly talk about the RPM and the CPM of this video. You see, the CPM of this video was $3, which means advertisers were willing to pay $3 for every 1,000 ads impression. The RPM was $1.58, which is the actual amount you earn per 1,000 views after YouTube take their cuts. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell if you found this video helpful.